Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing great by the mercy of Almighty. So, a frequently asked question is I can understand English but I can't speak. So, have you ever asked yourself the same question that why you can't speak? Although you can understand this language properly, when you hear from others, when you hear from news or any other platforms, then you can understand what they are trying to make you understand or what they are trying to say. But in terms of speaking, you can't manage all these things. You can't decorate the sentences. So why? What's the reason? So in today's video, I'm going to share some tricks with you, and by following those tricks, you'll be able to learn this language properly. So let's get started. Please continue watching this video till the very end. Number 1. Remove hesitation and nervousness. When you are in front of people, when you are in front of your family, or when you are before your friends, then you need to be natural. You need to remove this shyness, fear, nervousness, hesitation, whatever you have. If you hold this thing, okay, then you will not be able to learn this language. Look, when you are nervous or when you are afraid, then you will not be able to make correct sentences. You will not be able to pronounce words and sentences in a good way or in a standard format. Then other problems you will face, you'll forget things. The words will not appear in your mind. So these are the problems that you are going to face if you are scared or if you are afraid to talk to people in English. First, you need to remove your shyness. You need to struggle hard against this fear or nervousness that you have. Second is dare to make mistakes. The common problem that people have is they don't want to make mistakes. They think that what if I make mistake, then people will laugh at me. Nobody's gonna laugh at you. By making mistakes, you'll get to know what is your weakness, in which sides you need to develop yourself, right? When you were a child, you made a lot of mistakes in terms of learning your own language, right? So here, this is a new language for you, and you need to make mistakes. By making mistakes, you'll be able to solve all these problems, fix the problems in terms of grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, etc. Number 3, stop exaggerating the grammar. If you are obsessed with grammar, then it will not work at all, to be honest, because grammar, it's important to us, right? We need to use grammars. Grammar is a path, and by following it, we can decorate our sentences. We can make people understand properly. But if you are focusing more in terms of grammar, then you will not be able to speak naturally or fluently, because it will obstruct you. Grammar will obstruct you. How? The thing is, when you are supposed to say something, at the very moment, this kind of grammatical structures will come across in your mind. Your mind will be busy defining, what's the tense, what's the sentence, okay, what's the rule. So, avoid all these things. Just learn the basics of the grammar, like tense and other things, the basic one, and then you will be able to speak fluently. Number 4, find your comfort zone. As you are learning a new language, then you need to find a comfort zone for you. You might not be comfort before people, before strangers. Then isolate yourself in a room or somewhere else, wherever there is no one to disturb you and you are alone. You can make mistakes by yourself. You can improve yourself day by day, or you can fix the problems. After that, you'll be able to speak fluently because you have your own comfort zone, your own area. So manage it first. Number 5, be a good listener. To be honest, half of your preparation will be done if you are a good listener. The listening, it's crucial in terms of learning English. You need to listen from others. You need to listen from YouTube, or you need to listen from news or other platforms. Or if you have someone who can speak English well, you can listen from him, or you can use all these platforms that we have in our modern age for listening. If you are a good listener, then it will be easy for you to learn this language quickly. Number 6, time management. Time management is really important to you as a learner of this language, right? You need to continue this learning process every day. If you do not practice English regularly, if you do not listen properly, then you will not be able to speak in a good way. So daily practice is very important to learn a language, especially English. So try to follow all these things that I have mentioned earlier in this video, and follow all the 6 tricks that I shared with you. It really works and it will make you a good speaker. End of the day, you'll get to know. So see you in the next video. Stay happy, stay good. Ta-da.